Hey y'all, it's a new year, a new decade, and I know moisture and definitions at the top of your hair goes list. Some of y'all had dry hair and crazy hair all 2019, and I'm finna get you right, sis. I'm gonna show you guys today how to moisturize and define your twist out. So today I'm using Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Collection. It's all about moisture that actually gets inside your hair strand. So first up, y'all need to go ahead and clarify if you haven't done so in a while to get that product buildup off, because moisture ain't happening through no product buildup, girlfriend. And their Grapeseed collection has a clarifying shampoo, and I have a video on that, so if you're interested, go ahead and tap here. But I don't have product buildup, so I'm just going to be using the Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser because it's a moisturizing shampoo, and it comes out thick and rich, and it lathers up great. Side note, if you know a shampoo is sudsy and it is not bubbling up all over your hair, then you have product buildup. Clarify your hair, go ahead and wash your hair 1 or 2 more times if you feel like it's still not sudsing up good. But like I said, this is a moisturizing shampoo, and I could actually finger detangle my hair because it has a little slip to it and it made my hair soft. Next, I am using the Aunt Jackie's new Butter Fusion collection. Yup, y'all seen it first here. And you're gonna have to head over to my Instagram for the details on that. Now, I don't know why, but I do not have a leave-in conditioner from Aunt Jackie, so I need to go ahead and cop that. So instead, I used a lightweight leave-in that I had sitting around the house. I then followed up the leave-in conditioner with the coconut cream buttercream sealant to lock in that moisture. A lot of times, our hair is drying out because we are not locking in the moisture. And this is where porosity comes into play. You gotta know what order to layer your products in to properly moisturize and seal your hair. So that's where you got the lock method, the LCO, LOCO, LSO, or any other variation you can think of. It just really depends on your porosity and as well as the strand size, because that makes a difference as well. For example, fine strands don't like heavy products, but thicker strands do like heavy products. And I polled y'all a few times in the past and found that a lot of naturals with low porosity like to use their sealant cream or oil as their last step, whereas people with high porosity like to use the lock method, which is the leave-in, the oil, then the cream. Because by adding the leave-in, then the oil and cream, they go ahead, they drop moisture, seal it in, then add another layer of moisture so that it prolongs their hair drying out. The best way to figure this out is through trial and error. Try the LOC method one wash day, then try the LCO method the next wash day, and just kind of keep tabs on how long the moisture lasts within your hair. Now that I've hydrated my hair with the leave-in, sealed in that moisture with the sealant cream, it's time for me to jump to styling, and I'm using the Curl Boss Jelly for that. And I'm only using a little bit of that because I already put that cream on my hair, and I like my hair fluffy. I don't want it to be weighed down. Plus, I want my twist out to not get stiff, and I want it to be nice and bouncy. And I just go through, apply a little bit, and twist it up, y'all. That's 2 sealant creams. This one is the coconut one, and they also have the flaxseed one. The flaxseed one is much thicker than this one. It's more like a thick butter. This one is like a medium density cream. So if your hair likes heavier products, you may like the flaxseed one. My hair personally likes lighter products, so I prefer this one. I would also add that the Curl Boss gel has more of a moisture element, whereas the flaxseed one is rich in like omega and fatty acids, so that one has a strengthening component. And I know someone's gonna ask which one is the best. You can actually benefit from both. Do you want to strengthen your hair or do you want moisturized hair? You want strong and moisturized hair, so you can pick which one you want to based off how your hair is feeling. So this is the next day, y'all. I let my hair air dry overnight, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start separating with my oil, which is my last step to moisturizing. You guys, I did my leave-in to hydrate, my sealant cream to seal, and then I'm using my oil. I'm really not sure what kind of oil this is, but this is a DIY blend from one of my friends, and I just like it when I separate my curls because it gives me like an extra layer of shine. But to be honest with y'all, I can't say if this is a sealant oil or a moisturizing oil. I just know I like it. It makes my hair soft. So yeah, you guys seen me do the LCO method. This works for me, but like I said, be mindful because you may need to do the LOC method based off your porosity. Now you have to experiment. In my opinion, moisture should last at least 4 days. If you went through and quote unquote moisturized your hair and it was dry by the end of the day or dry the next day, to me, you didn't moisturize your hair, sis. You need to switch up the way you're layering to figure out how to get that moisture to last you more than a day or 2. And this is my final results. These curls lasted me over a week, y'all. I wore the curls out and then I put it in a puff, went to the mountains, and it was still popping. I still had a nice little fro when I got back. To see my nighttime routine, check out the video that's going to be linked in the box at the end of this video. And that's it, y'all. Let me know what your 2020 hair goals are. Mine is to grow back out my length that I cut, and I also want to grow this color out too. I'm going to wait until I get the color that I want because I really did not want this red. I'm so sick of red hair. But yeah, see y'all next video. Bye.